Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the Dollar Bead box for July of 2025. I always love this box when it comes every month. If you're not familiar with it, it's $19.50 a month, and then there's also a dollar bead bag. It's $8 a month, so it's 8 strands for $8, and they're fire polish. There's 4 4 4mm strands and 4 3mm strands, and they're different colors every month. So 8 strands for $8. It's a great way to build up your stash. And if you don't use them with this, you can use them with something else. So this box is $19.50 a month, and then along with the bag, it's an extra $8. If you just purchase the bag one time, it's $10. It's still a great deal. I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first order with them. I will leave a link below, along with the link to their bead box. So let's see what we've got this month. Sorry if I'm shaking my camera. Okay. July 2025. This past June has certainly been a month of extremes for weather, news, and life in general. That's why we thought July needed some soothing, relaxing colors to bring some calm back into our lives. The only thing we seem to have left out is a cool breeze. Okay. So, ooh, pretty. So this, like I said, this is the bag if you're not familiar with it. So this is $8, and then we have this, all the little goodies they send us. And there's more strands in here too, which is great. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, look at that. Okay, let me get these set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so we are starting with the 3mm strands, and this is the matte rainbow blue iris or blue turquoise nebulous luster. I think this is the matte one. You can kind of look at, because that has a matte finish to it. So pretty. Do we have this? And then next we have white opal or crystal. So this is the white opal. So pretty. And next we have crystal blue zircon or crystal half blue iris. So I'm thinking that's what this is. This is the, I don't know which one it is. Sometimes these names are kind of confusing. Crystal half blue iris maybe, because I see only half of it is blue on it. So we have this one. And then last is the medium sapphire or matte medium sapphire. So this is the medium sapphire, because this is definitely not matte. And then we're going to the 4mm strands. This is the matte blue iris. These make great spacers for necklaces and earrings and bracelets. It's just, they have so much color to them. And next is the matte sapphire Maria. So you just see how those pretty those are. And then next is the matte medium sapphire or matte, what, no, this is the blue opal, I'm sorry. So this is so pretty. And then the last one is the matte medium sapphire or matte medium sapphire AB. And I think this is AB because I see kind of that AB finish on it. I don't know if you could see it in the camera or not, but I definitely can see it in here. So these are your 8 strands for this month. Look at how pretty they are. Oh my gosh. And you can't beat this. 8 strands for $8. These are long ones too. I mean, these are long strands. So you really, really, really get a nice a nice stash here. So we have those. Now we're gonna go to the stuff that's in the bag. So now we've got the 10 millimeter Chinese glass laser etched round star pattern or peacock. I'm gonna put my little paper right here. So that's what this one is. And then next is, oh wait, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, I went to the, okay, 6 millimeter Lucerna bicone, opal light blue or dark aqua, 25 pieces. This is the opal light blue, opaque light blue. Sorry, I was reading off the little packages. So that's this, so pretty. Next is the 4 millimeter check glass struck in light blue. So there's 30 pieces on this. So very pretty. I'm trying to keep everything in so you can see it. Next is 5 by 11 millimeter check glass olive blue and white. There's 12 pieces of this. It's very pretty. And the holes are really nice in these beads. They're very well made. Next is 5 millimeter check fire polish Coral Beach, 25 pieces. So that's really pretty. And next is 3 millimeter check glass struck multi-metallic mix or teal half metallic lumi, 35 pieces. I'm trying to get it into view so you can see it. So pretty. And then last but not least for the strands is, let me see, I think this is, I'm trying to see, I think this is the 6 millimeter, it says 5 millimeter check fire polish turquoise silver travertine 25 pieces, or the 6 millimeter check fire polish turquoise silver travertine 20 pieces. I think this is the 6 millimeter because this looks like 20 pieces without counting it, but very pretty. So we have all of these. So now we're gonna start with the little bags. So this is 10 millimeter of Chinese glass laser etched round star pattern or peacock. So these are really pretty. Let me get a little head pin. I can show you these. Oh, these are really pretty. So we have those. And then next we have a 10 by 25 millimeter pewter cat silver. Look at this little kitty. Oh, how cute. It's a cute little kitty. And that's the back of him. So he's turning away. We got a little kitty there. And then next we have 4 millimeter check glass Drox dark aqua, 25 pieces. So these are, let's see if I can get a few on here. So these are them. We have a nice little stash of them. We have those. And then next we have, these are so cool, 12 millimeter check glass 2-hole pyramids jet blue AB. So these have, so this is the front and then that's the back. And they have 2 holes, as you can see. So they look like little pyramids if you look at them from the side. So we have these, so pretty. And then next we have 6 by 12 millimeter Chinese crystal teardrops metallic teal AB. And these are drops. So we have one. We put these on, 2. 3, and 4. So this is what they look like. Got a lot of sparkle to them and shine. So we have that. And then next we have 12 by 15 millimeter spiral swirl charm silver, 2 pieces. We get these a lot from them. We get them in copper, antique brass, silver, gold, but they're fun because you can use these as the bottom and a dangle of an earring. You know, you can use these for a lot of different things. So, and they're the same on both sides. I'm trying to get these down so you can see them. Okay. And next is 6 by 6 millimeter check glass squarelets, Crystal Maria or Copper Maria. These look like Crystal Maria. So these have the hole right here on the top. So as you can see how they dangle. And they're pretty. And they have a different, you know, one side might be a little AB, but not all of them. So they're a little different, each one of them. Okay. And next is 18 millimeter check glass daisy, light blue with copper. These are so gorgeous. I absolutely love when we get these. Where is the hole at? I think here it is. So, yeah, this is it. This makes a beautiful pendant for like a choker. You can dangle something. Really pretty. And next is 8 millimeter check glass tabular spiral blue marble. It's kind of a weird name. And they, let's see. Okay. So this is how they go. So you have all of these. Very pretty. And then next, I love these. Wait a minute. Oh, wrong one. 8 millimeter pewter flower in silver, 2 pieces, and it's the same on both sides. So here you have, that's what it looks like. Can't find the hole here. Here it is. Okay. These are cute, just for little spacers on whatever you're designing, or you can put a little jump ring through there and make it like a little dangle on the back of a necklace. There's a lot you could do with that. And next, I love these 12 by 14 millimeter check glass butterflies, navy with silver wash. So I have a little ridge inside of my, I've been using that to open up holes in beads. So it's got a little ridge so it doesn't go all the way down. But look how cute these are. So we have these. And then last but not least, we have 10 millimeter check glass Baroque pearl white, 6 of them. So let's get 1, 2. So there's 2 of them. And there's the rest of them. So I totally love these. It's just another pretty box this month. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And like I said, I have a coupon code BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave a link below with my coupon code as well as a link to Dollar Bead Box. You can use that. And let me know down in the comments what you thought of this unboxing, if you get this monthly box, and how you liked this month. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video after you subscribe to my channel. And I will leave links to all of my social media below as well, along with my Etsy channel where I sell most of my jewelry that I make. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much and have a great day.